Hey guys, it's Charlene. Today I am sharing with you the brand new September release from Pink and Main. So of course, as always, we have a cute mug, stamp, and die. And this is available for purchase. It's also a freebie if you spend over a certain amount, but that's just for a limited time. So definitely check out the website if you're interested in that. Next up, we have these super cute little gingerbread men sugar and spice holidays. Very cute, of course, coordinating dies. I could see 3 of these lined up on a card together would look really cute. Next, we have the holiday cuties as well as coordinating dies. There's this big pile of these cuties. You've got dogs and kitties and bunnies, all kinds of stuff. Little Santa envelope, got a lolly, all kinds of fun and cute holiday stamps this release. Here are winter cardinals. Ah, cute. I love this. I love these two, like giving a little kiss here on the branch. This one's wrapping a present, got a lantern, very sweet. And they're so, just like these ones too. They make me want to squish their cheeks. Up next here we have chili treats. Oh, these are cute. Look, there's Santa and Mrs. Claus, a tree. Oh, look at the penguin. Oh, and a snowman. Oh gosh, you guys, these are adorbs. And look at the coordinating dies. Very cute. And then we have this beautiful set called Seasonal Bouquets, as well as the coordinating dies. So different bouquets for different seasons. This is a great kind of evergreen set. It'll work year round. Love it. Next, we're going to dive into foiling. So we have some fun foilable cut-ups called Christmas Sentiments. And then these are called, what are they called? Cute Christmas Foilable Cut-ups. So you can see here on the back kind of what these contain. There are a ton of little essentially ephemera pieces that you can foil yourself. These have toner foiling, so you can pick and customize exactly how they're going to look on your card. I absolutely love these. If you like toner foil, they're so fun and really not that expensive. Then we have some new foilable panels. Gifts galore. There are 2 different designs here. I love they have the main one and then the negative as well. Very, very pretty. And here we have the Christmas Village foilable panels. There are 2 different designs, 4 of each inside here. And I love you could do kind of different foil. You could cut out different squares of foil in order to make the houses different colors. That would be really fun. Here we have Scandinavian ornaments, very, very classic, beautiful, would look great for a quick and simple holiday card. And here we have the Holly Jolly Snowman. Oh, yeah, I love the snowman. It's so cute. I love the floral. Next up, we have some foilable sheets, and these are the Holly background foilable sheets, and these are the Holly Days background foilable sheets. So you can see that there are several different designs in this pack, whereas this pack is just the Holly background, and there's a reason for that. But here I like this because you can cut these apart and create 2 card panels. So essentially there is enough in here to make 16 different card panels. Now this though, I'm especially excited about this one because I love when companies do this kind of stuff. There is a coordinating stencil, and I'm just telling you, I like to alcohol marker color, but there's something about having a coordinating stencil that just really makes your life so much easier, especially when you're mass producing holiday cards. So these are fun because you can foil them right in different colors, and then you can bring in your inks and do some ink blending and kind of customize it however you would like based on the colors that you want to use. Very fun. Moving on to dies. Here is a simple mug die, and I think that's great because sometimes you just need a mug and you don't have a die for it. So I like that they've done that. Here we have some lovely holly, and of course we have holly. It's called Holly Branch dies. We have the piece that cuts out the berries and the stem and the leaves. And then we have this nice outline piece as well. I love, love, love when companies do that. And here we have winter fern dies. These are very nice. We've got some lovely new stitched dies. So they have that stitched detail going around the edge. These ones are called the oblong stitched hexagon dies. Great for bringing in the focal point on a card. And then these ones here are the oblong stitched octagon dies. Great stash staples. And then this one I'm very excited about as well. This is the new gift card holder dies. And I think these are so fun. You can make a fun pull out piece that has your gift card on it. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it works. This is the new Fun Basics patterned papers. And you can see it's exactly what its title is. It's a lot of fun, different basic pattern papers that are good to have for backgrounds in lots of fun different colors. We have some new sticky gems. These are the silver sticky gems, so very blingy, perfect for adding that shine on the front of a card. This is a great stash staple embossing folder. This is called the quilted embossing folder. Creates a beautiful pattern on your background of your card, which just really elevates it up a notch. And then we have these two gorgeous new cheer foils. So these are toner foils. And look at this green. This green is so cool. It's kind of like matte almost, but it has a little bit of shine. You can see the light reflecting off it there. I really, really like how this looks. It's like a satin almost. I don't know, I can't really describe it, but it's beautiful. And then of course some really blingy gold. I love that pattern, all of that sparkle and shine. I'm not sure what the names are of these two new cheer foils, but they will be over on the website, obviously in the new release. So if you love toner foiling, definitely check these out, as well as the other new toner foiling items. So good. Okay guys, I'm going to be back super soon with another video, and I have decided I'm going to show you 4 different ways to use your gift card dies. So keep an eye out for that video. It is definitely coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this look at the release. Please be sure to like and subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell so that I can continue to bring you more crafty content in the future. Until next time, happy crafting.